Got it here, Pam. 25 1 gram of gold box over here. So this side here, gold 4 nines 1 gram standard rectangular ingot. Fortuna. Is that what it's called? I guess so. So there's all that little stuff. So I didn't even know that they sell, whenever you buy in bulk 1 gram gold bars, they sell them in beautiful boxes like that. So I guess coin stores usually, whenever they buy it from the mint, get to keep this and they sell them. So how do we open? Looks like you just lift it up like that and then just pull it up. Wow, look at that box. And we got it here, whole bunch of stock palm gold. So 1 gram of gold. Check this out, that's so cool. So this is one of those like a certificate card, and it's like really hard to copy. That's nice. And it also has, the reason why I'm touching it with my bare hands, it has a film, you can rip it off whenever you're done. So right now it's like 25 of them. Check this out, I really love that container, because whenever you only buy like 2 or 3 or 5 of them, then you have a bunch of cards like that. You'd have to put it, I don't know, in a safe or wherever. It's gonna be kind of laying around like that and slide. It's not fun. Maybe you can stack it up sideways, but it's not as comfortable versus that having this perfect box. Also, I really like that because you can actually stick it into your wallet and not worry about losing it, but you always have a couple of grams of gold. In this case, just 1 gram. I really like that cards. You can carry it with you. So it's a fractional gold. So let's take them all out and see what it looks like without the container. Look at it. I mean, listen to that noise. That's so satisfying. Boom, there's a whole stack of them. So this is just a container. So what I have learned that whoever can buy this whole stack, resell it on eBay or the coin store. Coin stores probably do that all the time, not all of them, but some of them. Buy the whole stack, sell this individually and sell the box for like 10-15 bucks by itself. But yeah, I really love that storage case. You can actually put 2 of them in one storage case and they won't even slide. So I'm probably gonna do that in case I'll have more one day. You see how you could put 3, but it will scratch up. I think it's way more safer and less scratchiness whenever you put 2 in each little slit. If you don't want it to be scratched at all, you just put 1 at a time. But these ones are not super collectible. You do want to have it in a nice quality, just don't take off the film, so that way its resale value will be higher, because if it's beat up, it's harder to sell. So that's kind of nice. As you can see, you could really stack it up a little bit more, but if you don't have that too many, no problem. But again, it sits in there comfortably, 2 of them, so this one case can hold, if it's holding 25 one at a time, so it's double, so it's probably can hold 50 pretty easily. Check this out. I'm probably gonna do that. As you can see, easy to put in and easy to take it out. So it doesn't really get super tight in there. So I like that. So you can hold in there 50 pretty easily. So in the last one looks like. And look, it's actually better because it doesn't shake. Let me take this out, close this. It doesn't shake in there, but still have room to wiggle. So that's nice. You can get one of this and have a gold to fill it up. Just like tubes that you can fill up, silver tubes like these ones. You can now actually buy one of this and use it as like a gold to fill up all the way, like 25 of them. Then you can even double it up, fill it up with 50. As you can see now, it's halfway filled up. So now I have a gold to fill it up all the way, or just sell it, get something more, 1 piece of gold instead of fractional gold. It's super cool. But guess what? with the case, it's a little bit more sellable now. I can get a hopefully a little bit higher premium. I guess you can negotiate with the box. That's pretty awesome. What do you think about this? I never seen one of those before. When I come across it, I thought you guys would be interested. And it looks like you can put a label over here or over here. Awesome.